text, like on
I didn't think GPT was how the easiest or fastest.
Yeah.
So
you would like like the book that you're reading, you would just like take a picture of the page. And then like, oh, here's the passage. But if you don't want to do that, and you want to do ChatGPT, you just say, hey, ChatGPT, can you generate a paragraph with all 4 past tenses in it? Yeah, totally fine. And then just highlight. All right. Was that helpful, or did you have any other questions?
I had some questions for the other summatives, but I'll ask them those.
You're gonna ask those once you're done with this. Is that what you just said?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, flag me down, okay?
Okay.
All right, awesome. Thank you, Liam.
Look at the cat.
Hello, Manila. How do you do it? Good.
Cat.
Fill up your stuff. I suspect you're doing all good. Do you have any assignments that you need to work on? Okay. You have the option. You can hang out here if you want, or you can head out for the day. You're totally good on my end.